Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to tag peoples and company in LinkedIn. You can tag peoples on photo also in LinkedIn. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me go in LinkedIn. So here, come to the home tab and just go to the start post. So if you want to tag on photo, just click on photo, upload the photo from your computer and it will be upload. Now just click on tag and you have to choose the face of person, or you can click anywhere and you can tag their person. So you can tag company also, company page and person name. So I tag this one, okay, and just click on done. So on photo the person will be tag, okay, with the netcast demo. This is tag. And in content also you can tag some person. So I can tag company. So I just hit the @ and type the company name. So you can, the company will become here. Now just select the company, and same way you can tag person. Just enter the hashtag, sorry, @ and type the person name, then person also will come here, okay. You can tag the person also. So somebody click on it. So when you tag, it will be big, it will be bold, okay. It's converted in bold, okay. You can see it's convert bold. So somebody click on it, this person or company profile will be open. Now you can post it, okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.